So one of the ways to join Google Classroom is by joining with an invite link. So over here, you can see that I am in my teacher view right here. And over here, I got the classroom code right here. If I were to go around and click on the three dot button, you can see that copy classroom code is an option over here. Or I can go around and click on copy class invite link right here as well. If I were to expand this, you can also see that you can copy out the invite link from over here. So once you do that, what happens is that you can share it out with student, and then what they can do from the student end is they can simply go around and paste and access this particular class right here. So once they go around over here, they simply join your classroom right here just like this. So they can go around and choose their ID right here just like this. So let me just go around and select out my ID right here. And what they can do is they can go around and simply join the classroom by using this method. So by using the link, you can see that this is the classroom on the student's end, and they'll be able to go around and see the other students and the teachers right here. So on your end right here, so let's just go around over here on people right here. So let's just go around and refresh this out right here just like this. And once we do that, what happens is that under the people section, we can see the other student as well. So that is how you can go around and join in a Google Classroom by using an invite link as a student. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.